friends, and welcome to your cozy home. I'm Gina. And before I begin this video, I just want to wish everybody a happy, safe New Year's. I hope you have a healthy, safe New Year's, and I hope you had a wonderful holiday season. I know me and my family did. We had an awesome time. We went down home for Thanksgiving, and then we had Christmas up here with me and Brian and our girls and their guys, and we had a wonderful time. We played some games we never played before, and that was pretty fun. And then my family, part of my family from Ohio, came up. Had my mom and dad and a couple of my nephews with their ladies, and Novi, my great niece, she came up. I always love seeing her. She's 2 years old and she's growing up so fast. And we had a good time. We played Flip 7, and that's really a fun game. It's a card game. So if you need any card games you want to try out this year, Flip 7, I highly recommend. It's a very fun game. We even got my dad to play, and he usually only plays Rook, but this time he did play that, and I think he enjoyed it. But we had a really good New Year's Eve, and I'm very thankful that they traveled 3 hours to come up and visit with us. The girls came in, and Marissa and Parker came up. They live back in Ohio, and they actually have to drive 4 hours to get here. So I was really glad that we all got together for New Year's. My sisters didn't make it. My brother didn't make it, but my nephews, 2 of my nephews did. I have several nephews, and 2 of them came up with Sammy, Caleb's wife, and Jake's girlfriend, Bailey. And I was glad that they came up and spent New Year's with us. We had a good time. And I hope she don't mind. I guess I'll have to ask her, and if she does, I'll edit it out. But we had a great Christmas. Me and Brian decided not to exchange gifts. We went on a couple extra vacations this year, so that was our present to each other. We celebrated our 30th anniversary in November, so we took a trip to Tennessee, so we had a good time doing that, and I got to see Dollywood decorated for Christmas, and that was beautiful. So that was worth going down and giving up my Christmas presents under the tree, and had a good time. But the best thing that happened is I'm going to be a Gigi again. Mackenzie and Drew are going to have their first child, Lord willing, and June, and I'm so excited because it's been a while since our family had a baby. We have Remy. Remy came into our lives when it was a week to his 3rd birthday, because Michaela had him a 3rd birthday at the house, and that's when we met him. So he'll be 7 soon, but yeah, he's our oldest grandson. He's as rowdy as boys come, we should say. But you know, Brian has had all girls, so having a grandson, he enjoys that. He helps Brian a lot in the wood, and he likes doing all the outside stuff, so Brian enjoys that a lot. And then Drew and Kenzie will have their baby in June, and we're all looking forward to that. And I have to tell you a quick story. Remy, like I said, he's been with us since he's been about 3, and he calls me Gigi. And I told him it's been a while back, I said, we need to come up with a papal name for Brian. I said, because you'll be the oldest grandchild, and I said, you'll get to give us our nicknames. He said, well, I need to think about that for a little while. I said, you take your time, and when you decide what you want to call him, you let us know. So one day after he was outside working with Brian in the wood, he came in, he said, Gigi, I said, yeah. He said, I got his nickname. I said, well, what do you want to call him? He said, I want to call him Popple. I said, Popple? I said, well, that's cute. I said, but I'll have to learn how to spell it. I said, I've never heard of that before. And as serious as he could be, he said, well, if you don't know how to spell Popple, we'll just call him Bob, because I know how to spell Bob. And I just love that. But we call him Popple. And I'm Gigi and Brian's Popple. So he gave us our nicknames, and I love it. So I'm looking so forward to the new baby coming. And I will share news, and as soon as we know what it is, I'll let everybody else know. But okay, that's enough jibber jabber, and I didn't mean to go into full detail of everything, but I just want to kind of show you how I decorated a little bit for winter. I didn't do a lot. I kept out a few things after I packed my Christmas up to just decorate, because I didn't feel like going out and going through my snowman totes. I've been collecting snowmen for 30 years, and I just thought, I'm tired, and I'm just going to use what I have left out from Christmas and make it enough. And I did, and it's not overdone. It looks nice, and I'm done, because Christmas and fall decorating is a big tour, and I'm thankful that Michaela came up and she helped me both times. And without her, I'm not sure I could have got it done, because it's a lot, and I'm getting older, and it gets harder and harder each year to do all of it, because when you decorate like that, you want to make sure everything's deep down cleaned, and then time you get done cleaning, you're too tired to decorate. So I was thankful that she came up and helped me. So Michaela, thank you. And well, I didn't mean to keep you on here this long. I just wanted to tell everybody Happy New Year, and I hope you have a safe and happy one. You always see my house decorated and staged for my videos, and I thought I'd show you what it looked like in the process of it. I have taken Christmas all down, and I'm going to decorate for winter, and I just thought I'd show you the mess in between. And here's my kitchen. This is how it looks this morning. It is a total mess. I got that little setting together to do a short for YouTube. I think it's gorgeous. I just bought those deers. I hit Primitive Porch with the 50% off Christmas, and I didn't want Christmas. I just wanted stuff to decorate for winter. And here's my family room. That's my back porch, and Brian's got the wood on it right now. And there's all the bear shelves and the bears. Fireplace, I keep that covered if there's not a fire, because cold air blows through. And there's Miss Boo, because she's completely worn out from keeping me up all night. So it is very messy in here. And then we come out of here and we go into the kitchen area. There's my laundry room. It is a mess. I'm doing laundry. There's the bathroom, all undecorated. Got all my pictures off the wall. I'm keeping that because I just hate giving up all my pretties after Christmas. So a few things will stay out. I think I'm going to keep that there. And here's my living room. Not a whole lot to do in here. Got to decorate my fireplace. Sorry about the lighting. I didn't turn the lights on in here. The deers I keep out because I really think I like that. And it's not too Christmassy, so it can go for winter too. Put my setting back on the wall. Probably keep that out all winter. Gotta add a blanket back there or a throw. And then we come into my dining room, which is my catch-all right now. I went shopping at Primitive Porch the other day and got a few things from winter decor. I think I might have mentioned it. There's my cows. I picked them up. I thought they were so cute. I'll find a spot for them somewhere. Just a bunch of onion things. Got this dry sink from my mom. I needed extra storing. I just got some things through up there. So, that's what it looks like before I do my winter decorations. I have to show you this. I won this at a Christmas game. We was playing a white elephant game. We've never played it before. And the girls and me bought gifts, and this is what I won. She got a light bulb. Looks like she's laying an egg. And it lights up. Give me just a second and I'll turn it on for you. Okay, there she is lit up. Let me turn this light off so you can see it better. See her little light? She got that off Amazon, and I thought that was the cutest thing. I don't decorate in chickens, but I thought that was so cute. And here's my stairs with all my pictures I need to hang back on my wall and a few odd things. I'm hoping I got enough snowman that I left from Christmas so I don't have to go dig in my totes outside. So we shall see. Well, I thought I would just kind of show you what I got done. I did not have to go out and get any of my snowmen outside. I have been collecting snowmen for 30 years, over 30 years actually. So I got a lot of snowmen, but I made do with stuff I didn't take down from Christmas to just give it a winter look. So I'll just show you what I've done. I kept this the same. I think it looks enough like winter to keep out, and I really like it at night. It's pretty. And then them are where I put my new. The deers are the only thing new. Get a closer up look. I don't want to see my reflection in the TV. I haven't done my hair today. I've been busy. And I'll have to move them if we're ever in here watching TV, but we hardly ever come in here. And then all I did was just put a throw there. And that's basically all I did in here. Nothing too changeable. And then it'll stay up until spring, which will be just around the corner. And here's my dining room. Kind of just left a few things, changed a few things, kind of made it not look so Christmassy. I'm going to order a different kind of bow for there, more wintry than red. Then I didn't do much here. I won't mess with that much till spring. And then my kitchen. This is as bare, I think, as I decorated. But I like it. And we are planning to redo this kitchen, give it a nice refresh. I'm hoping new backsplash and new sink, new countertops, paint it. And that's a cutting board. And then these are my Temptations. I've had these for years. I keep my kitchen stuff kind of in a cabinet, so they're easy to get to. But I didn't have to add to anything in the garage, and I'm glad. And then that, I know that mat is a little Christmassy, but I don't have nothing else, and I'm not going to go out and buy anything either. And then there's my big cows. I know they're not everybody's cup of tea, but I love my cows. So that's that in my kitchen. Just swinging around. Turn your bathroom light on. I didn't do a lot in the bathroom, but that's okay. Hung some little bit of new pictures. I just turned the towels I had in around so the Christmas trees wouldn't show up. Them shelves are a little bare, but that's all right with me. Easier to dust. Okay, now the family room. Sorry about the glare. There's Boo where we last left her. She didn't let us sleep, so she didn't get much sleep, so she's doing it now. And then here's just kind of, it is so dark in here. Let me see if I can open the curtains. Still don't help a lot. This room always stays dark. Now I even got the light on. And like I said, I'm gonna get some winter bows. Fireplace, we use it, and when it's not got fire in it, I put a blanket because it gets cold air coming through. And in here, I just, some white ornaments just put there through winter. And then that, and some candles and a snowman up there. And that is about it. I keep everything else the same. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. And as always, thanks for stopping by. And I hope to see you soon.